In this video, we're going to customize layouts as well as go over views and filtering records. Here we are in the Projects tab under Layouts and Fields. You can customize layouts and fields for other modules like tasks and timesheets that we're going to cover later. Under Projects, we have two layouts, Consulting and Standard. Multiple layouts are useful if you work with different type of projects that require different fields. Also, you can associate layouts with templates. To edit a layout, just click on it. Here we have all the fields available. In this case, we already have a custom section called Client Information. To add a new field, just drag and drop it. Name is going to be Phone, and click on Add to Layout. Let's add a pick list. The name is Client Type. And click on Add Value, Owner, and Manager. We added this field to the CRM and books, and now we're going to have it in projects. All right, let's add it to the layout. And we're going to save the layout. Let's open the Tasks tab. You can customize the layouts just as we did with the project layout. One difference here is that we have layout rules available. Layout rules allow you to show or hide fields and sections, as well as making fields mandatory based on other fields. On the Timesheet tab, you can also configure the layout. Let's open the standard layout. Here we have the option to use a lookup field. This field type allows you to link timesheets to other modules or records. Okay, let's close the settings. In Zoho Projects, we also have filters, just as in the CRM. In this case, we are filtering projects, but they are available on the other modules as well. If you often use a filter, you can save it as a view and reuse it. If you hover over all projects, you can find all views available. Also, here's where you can find the project templates and even archived or trashed projects. Let's click on Create Custom View. Now we're going to change the criteria. Keep project type as active, and the owner is Blungo Testing. Let's name the view, and we're going to customize the columns to be displayed. Add percentage completed and status. Okay, let's save this. And now we see that the view selected is the one that we just created, and there are only 3 columns displayed. Now let's open a project. Here we have all the open tasks associated with this project. If you want to hide or show columns without editing the view, you can do it from this button. Let's hide a few. And save it. Also, in the same place, we can find the subtab View. Here you can change other view settings. For example, if you have subtasks, you can collapse them under the main task. If you hover over All Open, we can find all the views available for project tasks. Let's create a new view. Task Owner is Blungo Testing. We have to name the view. And we're going to customize the columns. Let's remove a few of them. Something that you can do with this view is add it to other projects. If you don't select this option, this view will be only available on the project where you are creating the view. And we're going to save it. Another way to display the tasks is on this menu. Classic is currently selected. If we change it to plain, we only get the tasks. The last option is Kanban. Let's open a different project and change this back to classic. The view selected is all open, and the columns are the default ones. Each project works independently from the others. If you change the view on one project, it won't affect the other projects. In this project, we have 2 task lists. To reorder them, click on these 3 dots. And on Reorder Task List. Here you can drag and drop the task list. And we can save this. Under Work Overview, we have Tasks. Here you will find all the tasks from all the projects. They are organized by task list and project. But you can use all the same view options that we mentioned before.